Now, taking you through quick news from the globe. Let's start with Elon Musk, the man who was seen very close to Donald Trump. Also, Trump brought him in to the government to lead the Doge department. Elon Musk seems to be now frustrated and has quit. After months of tension and criticism and visible discomfort, the Tesla boss has stepped down as the head of the Department of Government Efficiency, the Doge department, a role that he once claimed was meant to fix the rot in Washington. Musk had joined the Trump administration with much fanfare, promising to slash wasteful spending within the United States government. But the honeymoon period clearly is over here. It did not last too long. From day one, Musk faced heat from clashing with the White House seniors and basically also being blamed for trying to take some confidential information off government records. Also, we know that Elon Musk faced a lot of flack as his Tesla shares also took a big hit after he joined Trump in the government. So clearly for Elon Musk, this has not worked out well. His loyalists have also sensed that he felt out of place and things are not going well for him. So they've advised him to withdraw. But we hear the final straw was Trump's massive new spending bill. Musk openly slammed it, saying that it's made a mockery of the Doge mission. In typical Musk style, he took a parting shot, saying a bill can be big or it can be big or it can be beautiful. It can't be both. It can't be one big beautiful bill. That's precisely what that bill is called. That bill basically is a sweeping package of $4.7 trillion that covers infrastructure, revamp, military expansion, AI, tech funding, nationwide tax rebates. Basically, this was Donald Trump's ambitious bill that would give a lot of leverage for American citizens. It promised massive government investments in highways, in energy, defense, contracts, new welfare payouts. Well, this was a big economic booster that Trump had planned, but the whole deal was that bill was designed to bring down cost, basically use cost effectively or money effectively. But here, Elon Musk says that bill was doing exactly the opposite. In fact, behind the scenes, Musk also faced a lot of tensions with the officers. That's what we hear. But well, according to Elon Musk, whatever Trump's plans are does not really fit into United States fiscal plans. Musk has walked out. He walked in promising efficiency, but walked out calling this a lost cause.